Wait. Go.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi class. Welcome to today's lesson. And before we start, last week the student of the week was Mr. Ahmed Salah. He got the highest. So this week we'll see who's going to be the student of the week. And then Isa, there were two. So Isa and Ahmed, they got the highest score. So they are the student of the week. Let's see who will be the student of the week for this third week. Now, lesson for today is vocabulary lesson. And we have only 8 words. We are looking for 8 words, the meaning of the 8 words. The rule is very simple. If you talk without permission, the red card is here for you. The good students will have the blue card. So in each group, you have your blue card to start the lesson. Once I take it off, then you have the red card. Let's see who keeps his card. The objective of the lesson, may I call Mr. Takush to read for me?
Smart objective. By the end of this 40-minute lesson, students will learn the meaning, usage, and contextual application of the words critics, process, tedious, merit, deceived, misfortune, seize, and symptom.
Very good. So we have only 8 words, and at the end, we will have the Kahoot to assess if we're going to have group work as well with these 8 words Takush just read. Now let's look at the words we have. May I call on Abdulaziz Fahad? Could you read the words for me?
Words to know. Critics, process,
tedious,
merit, deceived, misfortune, seize, descendant.
Thank you. Good job. Ahmed Bawazir?
Critics, process, tedious, merit, deceived, misfortune, seize, descendant.
All right. Don't Harley?
Critics, process, tedious, merit, deceit, misfortune, seize, the descendants.
Alanazi?
Critics, process, tedious, merit, deceived, misfortune, seize, descendants.
Zia?
Critics, process, tedious, merit, deceive, misfortune, seize, descendant.
Thank you. So these are the 8 words, and in 1 minute, let's see how many of these words we know in group. So I want to know the meanings you got out of these 8, and the best group will be the one with the highest words we got the meaning. So start working in your groups, and in various groups, the words. How many words do you know? With the meanings? Yes. Yes, so tell me which one? Yeah. So what's the meaning of seize? Okay, good job. All right, let me see what you have. Yes, one group, yes.
I know. Critics, process, deceived, misfortune.
So what is the fortune? Okay. Yes, woman. Which one? Okay, what's the meaning? Okay, good. That's awesome. Here's what you have. Okay, good. That's nice. Nice. Yes. Mary, what does it mean? Okay, that's enough. Yes, which one? Okay. Okay, good job done, guys. So, all of you did well and you got it right. Now, our play cards. Let's take our play cards to analyze how many of us have it right. So, our cards. Our cards, so let's see our cards now. Our cards. Okay. Good job. Good job. Right. The next one. What is the correct definition of critics? Who got it right? Okay, Muhammad is there. Faris. Okay. Oh, awesome. That is nice. Thank you very much, guys. So, we have the meanings already, and everybody got it right. Where we have the difficulty is to at the use of the word tedious, where some of you got it wrong. So tedious means when you don't have a lot of time. So sometimes it's very exhausting, time consuming, something very difficult. Thank you guys. Now our Kahoot, to wrap it up. So your devices, and then let's see the winner for the Kahoot. Yeah. So let's see the winner. Who's going to be the winner for today? To wrap the lesson up with the words. So who will be the winner? Who's going to be the winner? It's going to be Ahmed Salah's group. Is it going to be Muhab's group? Is it going to be Fari's group? Is it going to be Khalid's group? Let's see the winner of Rahman's group. Who is leading? Alright. Thank you very much, guys. And then